In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly attach files to an email using Zoho Mail. This feature is especially useful for sharing documents, images, or any necessary files with your recipients, making communication more effective. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to access your Zoho Mail account. So head over to https://mail.zoho.com. Once you're there, simply enter your login credentials to access your inbox. If you're a regular user, this should be second nature to you, but if you're new, remember these steps because they are essential to accessing all of Zoho's features. After you've successfully logged in, your next point of action is to start composing a new email. You'll find the New Mail button conveniently located at the top left corner of your dashboard. It's prominently positioned so you won't miss it. Go ahead and click on that to open up a fresh Compose window where you'll write your email. Now, this is where we focus on attaching your files. In the Email Compose window, direct your attention to the bottom left corner, where you'll spot a small paperclip icon, likely familiar to anyone who's used email services before. Clicking this paperclip icon will allow you to attach a file to your email. Once you click on the paperclip, you'll be presented with a variety of options. Let's go through them so you can choose the best one for your needs. The most straightforward option for many users would be Upload from Computer. By selecting this, a file browser will open that allows you to navigate your computer's folders and find the file you wish to attach. Once you locate it, just select the file, and it will begin the upload process. If you are someone who utilizes Zoho's integrated suite of tools, you might have the Attach from Zoho Work Drive option available. This is an excellent choice if your files already reside within Zoho's ecosystem. By using this, you can directly attach files without downloading them to your computer first, saving you time and effort. Alternatively, for those who prefer a more tactile approach, Zoho allows you to simply drag and drop files directly into the Compose window. This is a highly intuitive and quick method, particularly useful if you have your files ready on your desktop. Once you've chosen the method best suited for you and attached the files, all that remains is a brief wait while the files finish uploading. You'll usually see a progress bar or indication on the screen that tells you when this is complete. After ensuring your files have uploaded successfully and your message content is ready, the final step is to click Send. It's a simple yet satisfying step, and your email, complete with attachments, will be on its way to the recipient. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to attaching files in Zoho Mail. By following these steps, you can easily enhance your email communication. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, we hope you continue to enjoy the features Zoho